last session we have completed the half of the lesson of the wizard's spell. So today I have given the homework for you to read the new words. So did you all learn it? So I want to see after the school reopen, I am going to see the new words, how much you have read. So we will continue the lesson. So till where we lesson, till the children went into that strange house. So what happened there, what they have seen, what happened, what the happened there, and what they done there. And it is a good thing that going outside is a good thing without knowing to the parents, without the elders' help. We should not go to the other's house. So these children went to that house and they have saw some stranger at the edges. One stranger is standing. Okay, so we'll continue the lesson. So the stranger thinks. About him was his long beard and strange cherry-eyed, completely with a pointed cap. So can you see in the picture? He is a man. About him was his long beard. He is having a beard and a strange attire. He is having a strange attire. See the costumes what he is wearing, and complete with a pointed cap. Can you see a pointed cap here? And a candle is pricked in the room. So rooms, all the candles are pricked in the room. The only source of light. Numerous racks overflowing with books. So numerous means many of the racks are there, but the books are falling down, overfalling with the books, and strained. Jars also is there. Can you see the jar here? Here, jars. Linked with the wall. So some are linked with the wall. Can you see it? Here some are linked with the jar. Jars are linked with the walls. The man had a beaker in his hand and was chanting something. Glanced at the large leather bound book as he did so. Can you see here? Is having a jar, is having a book. Here can you see the book? And is having a large leather bound book as he did so. And he did so is whatever he is doing, it is written here in this book. Suddenly the man looked up and peered towards them. So suddenly he looked up and he peered them. Who are you? That man is asking that four children, who are you? Show yourself to me. So they are telling, show me yourself, or I will make you invisible. If you won't show me, I will make you invisible. Invisible means I will do a magic. You will not be seen here. I am going to do like that. He is telling that. He uttered angrily. So he is telling in angry way. Such a angry he is. He is in an angry way. He is telling that if you don't show me, I am going to make you invisible. Please don't do that. So the children are telling, please don't do that. We mean no harm. So we mean no harm. We don't do any harm to you. The children opened the door. The children slowly they opened the door. They were trembling with fear. They are trembling. They are very feared. Seeing that man, they are getting very feared and they are shaking. They are frightened. What are you doing here? Demanded the man. The man demanded them, what are you doing here? We are coming back from school and saw the house. So we are coming back from school and we saw the house of you. We got a bit interest and decided to explore it. So we got a bit interest on this house and so we entered into the house. That's all. What are you? So it's telling a bit, what a bit they want to explore it and they want to do it. That's all. What are you? Asked Rohit. He could be counted on to. So he counted on to means he is counted. He is counted how many times he came, what they are doing, he counted. Calmed down a ragging bull with his calm and collected dementure, and it stood him in good steady here. So what they did, they collected some demeanor means outward behavior. Outward behavior means not showing your face, not doing something like that. And it's in a good steady there. My name is David Shalvan and I am a wizard. So he is telling I am a David Shalvan. So I am a wizard. I am a wizard is a magic man. He is having a magic power. But my mother told me that there are no wizards. So what these children are telling, that my mother told me that no wizards will be there, no magics will be done, nobody will be there like that. Why are you telling you are a wizard? Said Arisha rather thoughtlessly. Did she know? Roared the wizard, for indeed he was one. I am the greatest wizard of all time. I have a magic power. Did she now roar the wizard from in it? He was now one. I am the greatest wizard of all time. So all time I am the greatest wizard. So I know that I have the magic power. Can I show you? Magic power? The children ask in surprise. So the children are surprised and they are telling magic power. Tell us what can you do? So they are telling what can you do? I have the power to change any situation. So he is telling that he is having a power to change any situation. So changing situation means changing the things, changing the time. Suppose you are wearing a blue color dress, he changed the dress into red color. So situation means if you are in sad position, he will make you to be happy in happy position. So like the situation means I am giving the example. It's not he will do like that. So we will see if he do like that only. I have the power to change any situation. The wizard spoke loudly. The power to change any situation. Sure, the children with a hint of surprise in their voice. So they were surprised in their voice and they were thinking that really you will be changing the situation. You will be telling whatever we'll ask you to do. They are asking, the children are asking. What kind of power is that? Asked Ajay doubtfully. So he's asking what type of power you are having, what type of power you are having, Ajay is asking. Well, you will tell me any situation with my magical spell, I can change it completely. The children look at him in distrust. So I see you don't tell me, believe me. Tell me what change you want me to bring in one of your leaves. I will change the situation for just one of you. So he is telling that children look at me. Distrust. Distrust means we are not trust you that you will change the so anybody if they will come, strangers will come to our houses. They will tell that we will tell some Jata Kalu like that in Telugu they will tell and will do it not correct. They will do the correctly. It will be happen correctly. That is not correct. It's just our believing. Like that they are untrust about that man will change the situation. So it's not correct that man will change the situation. If you want to change me the situation, If anybody in you, four of you, when anybody wants me to change the situation of yours, I am going to change. The children thought for a while. They are thinking what we have to tell. They are thought for a while. Think about it, please. So they are asked. We have the. Can you think about? Give me some time. You have to change, and what the work will give you. Can you give us time? Rohit asked softly. Take your time, said the wizard, and went back to his chatting. So he told, okay, you take your time, and he went and sat in a satin. And what they, I want. Tomorrow is my mathematics exam, and I am not. I want to get good marks in it. Cast a spell on me. So what this Ajay is telling, that I am having a mathematics exam tomorrow. I want good exam, good marks, because I did not study, I did not do the sums. So you do a spell to me that I must get good marks in maths. Is it correct? Is it correct doing the wizard spell? It is still correct. Ajay said. No, it's my birthday next week and I want a bicycle. My mother does not buy it, so let me change my life. Put Alicia. Alicia, what Alicia is telling, that next week my birthday is there. My mother is not buying me a bicycle, so I want. Can you give me a bicycle? She asking that wizard man to spell bicycle to me and change my life. I want to go to a vacation to Disney R. If you let the wizard cast a spell on me, I will all along too. Neha spoke exactly. Exactly what Neha is telling, that I want to go for Disneyland, so not meaning me to take there. You have a spell on me. I want to go to Disneyland and I want to go and I want to have a trip there and I want to see there. Neha is telling. What a lot of selfish people we are. Thinking about other people, we need this spell. I know of a person who needs this spell more than us. So telling this, who said this one? 4 friends, they gradually. Okay. So they tell the in that Neha spoke exactly. What a lot of selfish you are. You are a selfish. You selfish means thinking of yourself. You are not thinking the people who are in need. You are thinking yourself. You want a bicycle, pass in maths exam. One more fellow want to go for Disneyland, and one more want to have a bicycle on her birthday. So these all are very rubbish things you are asking. So I know the thing what we have to do. What a lot of selfish people we are. Others, each we need this is spell. I know of a person who need this spell more for us. So he is telling that we have one man. I know the man. So he need this spell. So he is very poor. So I know that man. So we want to make a change for that man. That old man. They want to change that man. So they came to one decision and what they think. The 4 friends held an informal debate. Gradually their voice mellowed and said, we have decided that we want to use your magic power on a person that we see daily while going to school, he said. So Rohit, he slowly went to that man, that wizard man. He told that we are having an idea. We are going to tell you a man. A man need a spell on him. He is an old man. You change that man in. We want to see a change on him. So you do a spell on him. Rohit went and told to that wizard. We have decided that we want to use this your magic power on that person we see daily while going to school. So we have seen that man while going to the school. I have seen that man many times. So you change that man with your magical power. He said, "Tell me who is he and what he looks like," said the wizard as he closed his eyes and starting chatting a spell. So tell me who is that man, how he looks, and where he will be. And he told everything, the four children to explain about him, and he closed his eyes and he started chatting spelling. He is chatting something, spelling, he is doing something. There is an old man, his clothes are dirty and torn. So there is a man, there is an old man. His clothes are very dirty and it is torn. Torn means it is torn into pieces. It is tear. He lived in a small hut on the other side of the road. So on other side of the road, a man is living there, and his clothes were very dirty, and he lived in a small hut, and he lived in a roadside. His house is always dark. So his house is always dark. There is no light in his house. He appeared sad and feeble. So he will be always appearing sad and not having a feedable. Feedable means he is not having food also. He is to come and try to help him, said Rohit. So he told that if anybody will come and help, so that old man will become very rude. If anybody will come near to him to help, that a man will be very rude and he will not be helping. He will be telling that Rohit is telling that he is very rude man. Whenever will come near to him, he will be very rude. Here he will not ask for help. Neha continued, we really want to help him but don't know how. So we want to help him, but how we want to help, we don't know. So we want you to use your magical powers on him. So you do the magical powers, whatever the powers are there, that magical powers you do by your own. Using that magic, we want to see the change on that old man. The wizard smiled at Neha and looked at the rest of the children. So he smiled at Neha. So she is seeing Neha, he smiled and looked at the rest of the children and looked all the rest of the children. Are you all sure that is what you want? So you told that you want a bicycle, somebody want to go to Disney, or somebody want maths exam to be passed. Are you sure that this man, I must help this man and I must use my wizard spell to that man, old man? Means the wizard smiled to Neha and looked at the rest of the people. Are you sure that this is what you want? I can give you all new toys, dresses, get you good grades. So he's telling that I'll give you gifts, everything, I'll give dresses also and have a guards to you. No, we want you to help that man. So we don't want that all. We want only to help that man. You help that man only. You help that old man. The children said in unison, even as they were firmly closed their mind to the tantalizing possibilities of what the wizard offered for them. So the man is tantalizing everything he is doing the magic powers, he is telling all the magic powers, responsibilities, what is this, what is that, everything he is reading in his mind. Can you tell me that if any magical man, he used to use some powers, using abracadabra like this, he used to some words to do that magic. Like that, this man also is tantalizing. Tantalizing is nothing but teasing someone with promise of something that is untentable. Untentable means unattainable also he is doing. Okay, then said the wizard and chatted the spell. So he told that okay, said that wizard told okay for the children, and he said started doing spell to them. Cave chairman Chemino. He uttered the candles flicked and the table shook a little bit. After a few minutes, the wizard said, "Visit the man tomorrow. You will see the spell has worked." So while he is doing, suddenly a table shook a little bit. Means he started shaking like this. Told that after a few minutes, the wizard said, "Visit the man. Not today. Tomorrow you visit the man. You will be going to see that man how my spell is worked. What the spell wizard has done, how it worked. You can see it tomorrow." The children stumbled out of the house with a smile on their face, loudly exclaiming about the strange encounter. They could hardly wait for the next day. Much to their parents' surprise, they finished off their homeworks and dinner at record speed and retired to bed. So as soon as they run, after telling wizard telling that tomorrow you can see a change of that old man, means hurriedly they went home. They done the homework, they ate the dinner, everything they do fastly, and they slept, because tomorrow they want to see a new thing will be happened, whether it is happened or not to see. So that's why they home, they ate their they done the homework, they fill it everything, and they ate the dinner and they slept fastly. They could hardly wait for the next day. Much to their parents' surprise, they finished home their work and dinner at the record speed and retired to bed. The next morning, the four friends left for their school earlier than usual. So the four friends in the next morning they went. Four friends left the school and they went usually. Fastly they went. They reached the same road when the old man lived. So they went same road. Wonder of wonder, instead of a old hut they found beautiful house. Instead of that old hut, beautiful house in place of that have shown that old hut is not there. It's a new building is there. They were shocked. So how miracle is happened, they are very excited. So they shocked seeing that old man, a wonder and wonder, instead of a old hut, they found a beautiful house. Can you see in the picture a beautiful house? The old man is not, this man is the old man. And this is the house, in place of hut, the house, the beautiful house is there. Okay. So I'll stop the lesson till here. We'll continue the lesson in the next session. What you have to do, the homework is, nothing but whatever the hard spellings are there in this, that spellings, read the lesson, underline the spellings and read that hard spellings which are new spellings. Okay. So read this lesson from page number, I have already given you from page number 10 we have completed last time. So this time homework is read textbook page number 11, 11 11 to 14. Read the story. Okay, you have to read the story. Homework is read lesson textbook page number 11 to 14. Okay, rest of the lesson we will be continue tomorrow. And homework is I will going to listen new words, and afterwards I want to everybody should read the lesson properly. Okay, and you have to understood till where I have stopped. I have stopped till page number 14. Okay, I have completed till page number 14. After that, from the 15th page we are going to continue the lesson. We'll continue the lesson. So till where they found the beautiful house. Really, how magic is happened. So they went to the wizard. Wizard is he is able to help that man. So suddenly he helped that poor old man. The children also is having a good idea, and they are having a helping nature to help the others. So starting they have told that they want some other things, but in the ending in the last they decided to help one old man. So they helped the old man. So he got an hut. Instead of that hut, he got a beautiful house. Instead of that torn clothes, he got a new clothes to that old man. Till there you have to read the lesson and have a nice day. Okay, thank you.